Hello children, a very bright morning to you all. Okay, and today we are going to continue about the food habits in different places. Okay, especially South India and North India. So let us follow children without wasting our time. Now our South Indian foods. Okay, here. So depends on rice. South Indian people most probably they depends on rice, dal and coconuts. Okay, jaggery for their foods. Jaggery, do you know? Okay, children, coconuts is our favorite, isn't it? So you know, so these are the main ingredient of our nutrients of the South Indian people. Hence they make food like idli from the rice only, it is better, sambar from the dal, and kozukuttai and payasam. Payasam is a vermicelli, isn't it? Sweets. So these are the main food of our South Indians, and they usually eat on banana leaves. Okay, look at this picture here. Okay, children, so we are talked about South Indian. Now we are going to see what are the favorites of the North Indian people. The North Indian people. Okay, so here they depends on wheat. Okay, onions, milk and curd. Hence they make foods like what? Chapati, okay, paratha and lassi. Chapati is very good. Chapatis are their favorite food. They usually eat in dinner chapati only, most probably. So it make them fit. They used to eat rice also. Now come to our next food habits in different age groups. Okay, we should take food for our requirement, okay, to get energy. Okay, but we should think food we should take depends on your age, depends on your capability, okay, and depends on your, okay, so profession. Suppose you are athletes, then you have to take more, okay, and if you are a sick person, then you should take very little amount of food. And in even when you are old, for example, old people should take very mild, okay, small quantity of food. Let us see what are there. So the amount of food a person needs depends on his age group. Okay, what I told you, you should take food, okay, but it should be depend on your age. You should take lots of nutrients. Pregnant lady, athletes, so they need more, and if you are old, then they require very little amount of food. So these needs change with the age groups and the level of physical activity. For example, athletes may need, athlete means sports, those who are playing sports like cricketer, okay, hockey player and kushti, kabaddi, these are the athletes, sports, okay. So these persons should take more quantity of food, and in the same way pregnant lady also and feeding lady also may need more amount of energy, okay, during training. What have you understood, children? What is the meaning of training? Training means, okay, the sports person, they should practice, okay, for the sports. For example, cricketer, okay, and kabaddi people and kushti people, they need to practice. While they are practicing, it's known as they are getting training, okay. So during training session, they need lots of energy to require, okay. So they have to eat a lot of nutrients, isn't it? Young children should eat a wide variety of food. For example, grown-up children, a teenage children or grown-up children also, these children should take more amount of food because this is the time to grow for them. The following food items can be eaten by the people of different age group in order to maintain good health. Very good. Okay, for example, here milk, honey, fruits and vegetables, whole grains, egg and sprouted seeds and fish. What? Grown up children, those who are growing teenage, you can say. Okay, these children should take lots of amount of nutrients. Even the young adult, maybe 25, 21, so all vegetables and fruits, seafood, okay, and what? Greens, leafy vegetable, milk and milk product give more nutrients for them because they have to work, isn't it? That's why. Now the old adults, as the people grow older, their digestive system become weaker compared to adult people, so they need little amount of food for the sake of digestion because their digestion systems is become weaker, so they are not able to digest all kind of food, so they need most probably fibrous food. Okay, for example, here mention fibrous food and low fat dairy products and food with less salt. Okay, because it is chances to get any a kind of diseases, so we should avoid at the same time. Okay children, and then they need ragi, okay, for give strength, and thinnai and pearl millet, that is kambu. These are the these are the food nutrients which provide them enough energy to walk and keep them healthy.